Hi, I'm Mrs. Mason. Welcome to day 2 of Growing Alligators. Grab your science notebook and your data table, and we'll collect some data. This is day 2 of Growing Alligators, and you can see that the gators that are in the water have grown pretty big. Go ahead and get out your science notebook, put today's date, and write down some of your observations. And you can pause the video if you need to look closer. And the gator that was covered looks like that. So just take a minute to write down some things that you noticed. My alligator in the water that was uncovered is now 10 cubes long and about 19 centimeters. So I'm going to record that in my data table. The growing alligator in the colored water is now 9 cubes long, which is about 17 centimeters. The alligator that was covered is a little bit more than 9 cubes. It is almost 18 centimeters. So on my data table for kindergarten, on your data table you can write the date. I just wrote day 2. Because my date is not the same as your date. And I colored in 10 squares for our gator that was in the water. For first grade, you're also looking at the one that's in the colored water. So for day 2, it grew to be 9 cubes. And I colored in 9 squares on my data table. And for second grade, you're comparing the gator that was covered and uncovered. So I wrote down the numbers on my data table, and then I colored in the squares for my graph. So did what you predict actually start to happen? Record some observations in your notebook. Make a new prediction of what you think might happen tomorrow, and come back tomorrow and see if it's actually happened.